Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and I've got you covered with an unbelievable PRV today. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that little button below so that you can continuously be reminded of all these unbelievable product reviews that we keep on doing. So I do have you covered, and today's PRV is a 3-in-1 product review brought to you by Chloe. Who, Alex, is Chloe? Well, I'm going to tell you. Chloe is a manufacturer of outdoor clothing, and they've been manufacturing unbelievable retail items for beautiful, top-notch brands across North America for the past 20 years. They are unbelievable when it comes to quality, beautiful when they come to design, and we're talking high performance and beautiful lightweight with all of the bells and whistles in any high-end outerwear garment. So let's get started with this one that I'm wearing right now. It is the Bentley. Ooh, it is luxurious, it's high-end. I love the way it fits because it's beautifully fitted, giving me that Euro look. I love the articulated sleeves that allow me to move with comfort. I love all the things they've added to this jacket, including the beautiful Lycra on the inside that prevents the wind from coming right in and making me cold. Now, other things you need to know about this jacket. This jacket has a waterproof rating up to 20,000 units, which simply means that if I were to say 2,000, that would be the distance from which we drop a column of water and then it would actually penetrate the jacket. This rating is 20,000, which means 20 meters away. That is wild, incredible. And the breathability rating is 15,000. That's right, 15,000 grams per meter squared over a period of 24 hours. And that simply means that over a 24-hour period, we've got moisture vapor that's escaping to the degree of 15,000 parts per meter squared. And that is incredible because Chloe is a company that actually encourages people to get out into the great outdoors and be active. Fulfill your life, do something fun, get out and ski, get out and do something, right? And by doing that with a beautiful breathability factor, you're not gonna sweat inside that jacket. The sweat is actually escaping. So I love the way they've constructed these jackets. Furthermore, there's even more bells and whistles, including this gorgeous insulated and detachable hood that fits right on the back. And I don't even have to worry about snaps or buttons here when I'm doing this beautiful front flap because it's completely and totally magnetized. How do you like that? When I open up this jacket, they've truly thought of everything. What we're going to have here is access to the inside of the jacket so that we can actually embroider it and not damage that inside lining, which incidentally is filled with a beautiful Vortex recycled lining. In fact, the lining is made by 3M and it is a Thinsulate lining. It is going to be impervious all the way up to minus 27 degrees Celsius. Ooh, you've got to love that. But if you want that rating to go mega cold, minus 40 we're talking, why don't you line it with a jacket on the inside like I've done? So what I've done here is I've actually taken Chloe's other jacket, and this is a transitional season jacket, and it is called the Windsor. This Windsor is diamond quilted, it's beautiful, it's water repellent, and it's got a Sorona DuPont, wait for it, hang on a second, sustainable plant-based lining. Ah, you gotta love that! A company that loves the environment, a company that's using recycled rPET lining as well as plant-based sustainable linings in many of their garments. Ooh, I love that. But this one here is so comfortable and it's a beautiful transitional jacket. It'll work wonderfully in between that fall and winter season and in between the winter and the spring season. And like I just mentioned, if you want to raise the rating of your jacket and bring it into the Arctic, put this below and it will absolutely cut any single wind that is coming at you. Oh, it's comfortable, it's beautiful, I absolutely love it. Now, I told you this was going to be a 3-in-1 product review, so why don't I show you the third product? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Here it is, the Surrey model in its beautiful navy blue coloring. This is fashion forward, this is elegant, this is meant for urban outdoors. I'm walking from building to building in the cold, frigid temperatures. This is the jacket I'm gonna wear because like the Bentley, it also has those beautiful Lycra sleeves. It's also got that detachable insulated hood. It's well manufactured. You're gonna notice that we don't even have a flap on this one. It's made with a beautiful, gorgeous seam-sealed zipper that's going to prevent any water from coming in it. What's its rating, Alex? It's 10,000 and 10,000. 10,000 parts waterproof and 10,000 breathability factor. Unbelievable jacket. Beautiful transitional season jacket. And I am wearing that Windsor underneath it once again. They have thought of everything, this company. Even the zipper pulls are made with beautiful, genuine leather. All of the makings and the stitchings are absolutely fabulous. This is a jacket you must try on. And I've got to tell you that Clo is not only a company that absolutely loves the environment and speaks it and uses these types of recycled materials, but I've got to tell you that Clo pays such attention to detail in everything they do. They consider themselves a purveyor of the finest garments at a value price. They are retail inspired. So, if you're catering to a brand, if you're sourcing for a brand whose image reflects quality, authenticity, durability, strength, time-honored tradition, why wouldn't you be looking at Clo? For all of those reasons, this company is a company you've got to look at in the promotional advertising industry because they are lighting the industry on fire with regard to their outside and outdoor garments. I love them. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Hope you loved this review. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we will bring you more product review videos. Hey, let's keep making beautiful noise.